Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you these cool LED signal lights that I installed to replace the one on this side that was broken. But I'm going to tell you right now, they are not fun to install because deep down inside there, you have to try to use a jam nut to tighten it in. I ended up removing this piece here, try to get down behind there, and it's super hard to get a wrench or something. You can't use a socket because the wire goes through it. But I'm going to show you how it is. So in the kit you get two resistors, two lights. The yellow is positive, black is ground, so you'll hook up those accordingly to your polarity on your bike. So in the Triumph, this is where my first fail was. I thought they were just self-tapped in, but they're not. There's actually a nut on the backside. It's like a 10 mil. And then I got it out just enough, and there's a little tab electrical connection that you got to bust free, like I did right there. When you got big sausage hands, it's a little bit difficult. Now, this is the part about these lights that I don't like, is that they should have been made using the OEM Triumph factory hookup, because you got the wire that goes through the nut part, and this is the part that's really gonna make you angry and really gonna test your patience. Trust me. On other bikes it could be very much different, but on this bike, the way it's designed, it's super impossible to try to get a wrench in there, and you're gonna get mad, you're gonna curse and swear, and you're probably gonna smash a few things before you get this project done, unless somehow you find a way that's super easy that you care to share for everybody. But yeah, so here I am right here trying to use a stubby wrench in there. You can't use a socket because the wire goes through it. So unless you got to cut the socket so the wire can go through, then it'd be super easy if you want to modify one that way. But in this instance, I'm just suffering. And before I go the route, I just spliced it into the factory wiring harness using an electrical connector off the old light. And I want to test it before I hook it up, because I want to see if I made the right life choice here. So the light seemed to work out all right. So I'm just soldering them. You could use any kind of connection you want, but I'm soldering them and then heat shrink them and then tuck them in. But you can see right there, in the end, the lights are very cool. I like them. The frustration level, not so much, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.